Let's talk about retrospectives. Retrospect means to go back over in thought. The 12th principle of the Agile Manifesto states, at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. This inspect and adapt behavior manifests itself in the form of a retrospective. A retrospective is an event in which participants look back over a period of time where they worked together on all or part of a project. It is more effective to retrospect over shorter periods of time, so issues can be identified and resolved sooner. The outcome of a retrospective includes identification of opportunities for improvement with actionable steps toward realizing them. There are basically 3 areas to address when setting your team up for retrospectives: determining how often the event will occur, identifying who will be there, and establishing a psychologically safe environment. The retrospective should occur on a regular cadence. This usually aligns with your iterations, ranging from 2 to 4 weeks, and occurs at the end of each iteration. Attendees should include all team members who work on the project. Keep in mind that this does not include managers or people who did not contribute during the iteration. The reason managers shouldn't attend is because it works against creating a psychologically safe environment where team members can express their thoughts and feelings without hesitation. When conducting a retrospective, it's helpful to approach it in stages. You can think of these stages as set the stage, gather data, generate insights, and decide what to do. To begin, allow the team to reflect on the time since the last retrospective, considering what went well and what didn't go so well. Once you have gathered some data, encourage the team to discuss the identified topics, and during the discussion, work to uncover the root cause for the items that didn't go well. The next step is to choose a few items that the team can work on during the next iteration. And if there's still time remaining, the team can begin approaching solutions to the selected items and decide what to do about them.